but you want to learn how to set it up yourself, you just got to press the trash icon against all of the events and actions. First up, let's set up a basic follow alert, which just puts their profile picture, username, and a short message on the screen for every new follower. And once again, start by making sure you have the URL added to Live Studio or OBS. Go back to the section of the video where I did that, and then you're going to create yourself a new action. So here is my new action. I've named it New Follower. I've chosen an animation which goes in the background. You can use general animations or gift animations. I've chosen the well done one. And by default, it is showing their profile picture and username. So I've just typed a nice message such as thanks for following. Then into the color box, I've chosen the correct color. I've gone with yellow. And in the global overlay settings, you can configure what the font looks like. You can also configure at the bottom whether you show the profile picture or put the username and the message on one line. I've not gone with that. I'll press OK. I'll scroll down and we'll configure the duration. I'll actually lower mine to 4 seconds. All of these other default options look great. If you want it to appear slightly faster on the screen, then uncheck the fade in or out. And we'll save this action, and we need to create a new event now. So here's what the event looks like. Everyone can trigger the event. By what will the event be triggered? It's triggered by a follow. And to trigger all of these actions, I've chosen the new follower action. We don't need to do anything in this random section and just press save. And finally, we can test this. Simulate follow at the bottom of the page. Live Studio is a bit slow, but there we go. It is now working. Next up, let's set up an alert for every new gift that we receive. And we'll also set it to play a sound as well. So once again, make sure you have the screen added. You can go back to the section of that video where I did that. And then we create a new action. I've named my new action New Gift. First of all, I've checked Show Animation. And this time I've gone into the gift animation section and I've chosen the Level Rain one. You choose what you want. I've also checked the Play Audio box. And after that, you have two options. If you have your own audio file, just press Select File. But what I did, I clicked Open Sound Library, and there is some suggested sounds. You could search for your own, but I just went with the Riz Sounds one. You can press play, hear what it sounds like, then just press apply once you're happy. And then I also checked the Show Alert box. Once again, it shows their profile picture and the username. And I've typed in thanks for brackets repeat count brackets gift name. You can copy it from down here as well, just Control C, Control V. So for example, if I said 10 roses, it would say Harry, thanks for 10 roses. I've also configured it to be red, and you can configure what the colors look like and the font here. And if I scroll down the page a bit, I don't want it to be 20 seconds. I'll set mine to 6 seconds, a bit longer than the follow one because they are sending money. You do not want repeat with gift combos for this one. The other settings are fine, so we'll press save. And now we need to make a matching event for this. So click create new event and let's look at the event that I've made. Everyone's able to trigger this one. It is sending a gift with minimum coins value. So if you want this to trigger for every single gift, you set this to 1. But for example, if you don't want people spamming roses, you could raise it. So for example, I could raise it to 99 and it wouldn't trigger for gifts valued below 99 coins. Once you're happy with those settings, make sure the new gift action is assigned. You don't need to do anything with the random box and press save. And you can scroll down to the bottom of the page. Underneath the event simulator, you can either type in a gift name or choose it from the list. I'll turn my sound on and let's simulate the woolly hat. It should make a sound and it should be visible in Live Studio. And there we go, that has worked successfully. Next up, let's play a video after we receive a specific gift. In this example, TikTok Universe plays the Ronaldo Sui video. So once again, make sure you have screen 1 added. Go back to the relevant part of the video where we added that. Then we need to create a new action. I've named my action New and then followed by the gift name. So in our example, I've named it New TikTok Universe. And then I'm going to play a video file. So there's no pre-selected video files. You have to get your own video file. So I've pressed select file and I've uploaded it. And you don't have to, but as you saw, I put some text on top of the video file, which just said, thanks for graphics gift name. I've also configured a color, and you can configure all of the font settings here as well. If we scroll down the page a bit, make sure the duration is at least the length of the video, and then scroll down even further. And here you might want to repeat with gift combos. So in my example, if I was lucky enough, if somebody was crazy enough to send me, for example, 3 TikTok universes, if I repeat with gift combos, it will play the video 3 times. If I don't, then it would only play the video 1 time, even though they sent 3 universes. So I'm going to repeat with gift combos and press save, and then we're going to create a new event. Let me show you what the event looks like. Everyone can trigger it. It is sending a specific gift, and then you just type in the name of the gift or you search for it and assign the correct action. You don't need to do anything on the last one, and press save. And then if we scroll to the bottom of the page, we can use the event simulator. You can either type it in or choose it from the list. I'll turn my sound on so we can hear it. By simulate gift, you can now hear that it's working. Next up, let's add a new subscriber.